Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will present a tutorial of making strawberry purse from crochet. It is made of beads and yarn and crochet is used. It looks stylish and it is very easy to make. First of all, we will take two rings. They are easily available in the market. We will cover the ring one by one with single crochet. First of all, we are using green thread, green yarn. We will cover these frames with single crochet. You have to cover the whole area. All of the plastic body should be covered. At the end, we will make a slip stitch to close the two ends. This was our first row. Now we will start our next step. For this, we will make HDC or high double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. We will close it. It will look like a loop. We will take one chain and then we will go to the next hole. For this you have to skip one hole and go to the next. You have to make 3 HDC and then close it in the form of a loop and then make one chain. We will make 20 loops like this. We have made 3 loops and now we will make 20. And we will skip one hole in between. So now we have made our 20 loops. And 3. Close it and make a chain. So here our 20 loops are completed. We will cut the thread and now we will start our next row. You have to make 2 frames like this. Fill it by making the same process. Now we have taken pink yarn and beads are put in the yarn. Make a chain and insert the thread here. Make a single crochet and start making HDC 1, 2 and 3. Close the loop, put a thread in it, make one chain and make another loop in the same hole. 1, 2 and 3. Again 3 HDC here, but we will not put the bead here. Only in the first loop we will put the bead. Now make one chain and go to the next. 1, 2 and 3. Pull the thread, making a loop, put a bead, a chain and again 1, 2 and 3 HDC and a chain. It will make like a heart shape. 1, 2 and 3 HDCs, put a bead and make a chain. Put another loop here, 1, 2 and 3. Make a chain and go to the next loop. These loops will be made in the center of the green loops. This is our last portion here. You can see the process. Put a bead, make a chain, put 3 HDC in the same area and chain. So our colorful pink row, first row is completed. Now make slip stitch by coming to the middle part. Make 3 chains and in the second row we will not put beads. We will only make this row. In one row we will put beads and in another row we will not put beads. So here is our final look of these 2 rows. 3 HDC, 1 chain, then 3 HDC. Again turn on the row. Same stitch will be applied here. 1, 2 and 3. And this chain. In one row we will put beads, the other row will be without beads, and in the third row, first, third, fifth, seventh, such pattern will be followed for the beads. You have to make 2 such rows. Two frames are made by making the same process, and then we will attach them. And we are attaching them by making 3 rows of the pink color. You can see the point of attachment here. Here we will make 3 HDC. We will put a bead in the first loop, make a chain, and then we will make 3 more HDC in the same place. So here is the shape of this purse. Go to the next and make 3 HDC, put a bead and again 3 HDC. So our heart shape loops are made. You have to follow the same pattern throughout. This is the purse attached from one side. Now we will show you how to attach it from the second part. Attach the both sides here, but only in the middle of the loops, not from the sides. Make the HDC in the middle of the loops. 1, 2 and 3. Close the loop, and this is our shape of it. So this is our shape of the purse. Now you have to make the rows in the same pattern. So it is how our purse looks like. In the upper part we have used green yarn, and in the lower we are using pink yarn. This is the point of attachment of the 2 sides. You have to skip the sides and you have to start in the middle part of the 2 loops. Here how it looks. Now after making a few rows, it looks like this. Now we will show you the point of attachment of the two sides. We will use the same pattern. The same stitch will be made throughout. Put the bead, make a chain. Now again make 3 HDC, make a loop, and this will be without beads. You have to skip the middle part and go to the next part. So here is the point of attachment. And now if you think that the thread is a little loose, you can take a little stitch in the beginning point. This skipping of one will make it the shape of a strawberry. Each time you have to skip one box on the sides and go to the next loop. One, two, and three. Chain, and this is our shape. Now we will skip the middle part and we will pass to the next. Yes, we will make our loop here. 1, 2, and 3 HDC. Make a loop of it. Put a bead and one chain. The skipping of box will make it in the form of strawberry. So here is our look. We will put beads in the first HDC and only in the back row. The front row will be without beads. Yes. So we will be making our loops at these points and we will skip this part. We will pass to the next part and it will give it the shape of a strawberry. So our fancy purse looks like at this point. Very pretty and stylish. But now we have to complete it. We have to make the same stitch throughout the purse. Yes, pass to this point and we have to make our loop here. First HDC, second and third. Make a loop, make a chain, and again 3 HDC. So now the shape of a purse is like this. Our beautiful fancy strawberry purse is neck close to completion. We will make our loops at these points, at this point, and the last row will be in the middle, and in the last part we will attach the two sides. Make a loop here. 1, 2, 3. Put the bead. First loop and second loop. 1, 2, and 3. Now we will make a loop here. 1, 2, and 3. Put a bead here. Make another loop at the same point so it will look like a heart shape. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have come to our final point. 2 and 3. Now we will make a loop here. We have made a slip stitch here and we are gonna attach the two sides of the purse. 1, 2 and 3. Make the HDC here. Make a loop. Put a bead. Make a chain. Again another loop. 1, 2 and 3. So our purse is made and this is how it looks like. The two sides are now attached. Now we will cut the thread. Here are, yes, we have cut our thread. Our crochet work is complete. Now we will fix the thread so that it becomes stiff and not loosened. Here is our purse. Now we will put cloth in the middle part. We have to take a cloth of the same color, cut it in the shape of the purse and sew the both sides. Put the cloth in the bag and this is our zip, and we will sew the cloth and then the zip with it. So our strawberry purse is ready and here is the final look of our purse. It is how it looks like. You can put your mobile phone and anything in the purse. So our stylish purse is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.